make our rest of the conversation even more easy. Akanksha, you're okay? क्या हुआ है? People are very concerned, particularly क्योंकि episode drop हुआ था. And I think everybody can agree with one thing, that you are a true friend. बहुत सारे conversations आए थे. I've had people in this in my interview who have tried to make it sound like you've been with her for clout, right?
Cloud.
But from the episode that we saw last time, which has been shot really, really long time ago when Akanksha was not getting the attention that she was, right? You stood by her in the door when you said that, you know, मैं जो ये decision ले रही हूँ ताकि I don't want her to be alone. I think everybody, all the girls out there could relate to the fact that you need to have that kind of friend in your life. So, Dome की तो बात, of course, you will explain कि, you know, why you felt so emotional. But starting with the tough question, क्या हो रहा है? क्या चल रहा है?
Like, I don't think I am ready to talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a very sensitive topic, and interview के starting में मुझे मत रुलाना please.
ठीक है.
Yeah, so
You look emotional. Maybe towards the end I'll bring it up again. We'll see how it goes.
Okay. I mean, I don't want to say a lot. It's just that, you know, you'll keep seeing a lot of comments about people saying that, oh, we all want a friend like Suzanne. You know, everyone should have a Suzy in their life. Suzanne is such an amazing friend. But it's just about me. What about, you know?
Oh, sure.
I mean, in the show, I never really felt like maybe it's one-sided or something like that. Because I was so involved in her. I used to, like, more than myself, I used to think about her. I used to put her above me. I mean, not even my connection. Okay, I couldn't care less, like, ठीक है, वो जो भी हो रहा है, मैं इतना emotionally hurt नहीं होती थी. Karina, I was attached to and connected to Vishu as well.
Yeah.
But the way I bonded with Akansha was different level. But, like, I never knew that I could, you know, have so much love for a friend in my heart, and so much love, so much care, and so much, you know, the feeling,
Feeling also.
Yeah, exactly.
दिखा हमें.
Yeah, तो वो मुझे throughout the season था. And काफ़ी लोग कहते थे शो के अंदर एंड शो के बाहर भी कि शी इज़ यूजिंग यू फॉर अ वोट बैंक, एंड अगर योगेश नहीं छोड़ता उसको तो फिर वो तुम्हें इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देती, एंड बिकॉज शी डिड नॉट हैव एनीवन, तो शी हैड नो अदर ऑप्शन बट टू बी विथ यू. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, इट्स लाइक, आई डोंट नो. I mean, I never thought it was true. I was like, you know what, it's my friendship. I know better than anyone, all right. But now it's like when I'm looking at the episode and when I'm thinking about it, it's all kind of starting to make sense. And it's not just inside the show, like inside the show, eventually, of course, मेरे side से starting से ही था. वो मुझसे इतना close नहीं थी starting में because she was closer to Diksha and other people.
Right.
Eventually we bonded. Eventually, she could see. It's like, I don't even know, like, talking about it is so weird. Like, it's like eventually she could see my worth. And I had to do things just for her to see my worth, you know. And I'm not saying that whatever I did it to prove her that I'm worthy of a friendship or anything like that. It's just that I did it because मुझे करना था. वो अंदर से आया था. Even the things I said in the dome and all of that, I did not do to win anyone's heart or to gain popularity outside. I wasn't thinking about any of that. I was just like, you know what, if I get dumped today, I am okay with it. I just want to make sure that at least she has someone to perform with in the show. Because Gaurish ne, I think, उसके एक दिन पहले से dump कर दिया था. She was all alone. She used to, you know, tell me that, Suzanne, listen, I need to at least be in the finale and all of that. And when the people are using me and, you know, they're dumping me and all of that and abandoning me. And I mean, I could understand that because, you know, Vishu भी कहीं ना कहीं क्रीत की वजह से मुझे abandon करना चाहता था.
वो feeling आपको भी.
The worst. Because पूरा season तुम्हें realize नहीं हो तुम्हें प्रीत चाहिए and suddenly you want to be with her. So it was something similar. Like, I feel like throughout the season, me and Akansha, we have experienced काफ़ी चीज़ें जो same है. Like, we were in the same boat. No, actually, wait. Different situations, but like
Similar.
Yeah, exactly. वैसे way में. So I was just like, you know, I don't want her to feel cornered because काफ़ी लोग उसको बहुत corner करे जा रहे थे. And I was like, if I end up going home tonight, I at least want someone to be there for her if I'm not part of it.
You know, honestly, I can see that Susie's a little emotional right now. So I'm going to bring that up later. You know, I don't want to talk. I don't want to force you to talk anymore about it. But there is so much more. आपने ये सच बात कहा है कि वहाँ पे आप दोनों एक दूसरे से ये relate कर पा रहे थे कि y'all are feeling like y'all are second fiddle to people, right? You mentioned this. You mentioned that you feel disrespected by the way you're being treated by your own connection. क्योंकि you know they would, when he wanted, he would want to be with you, and then when he didn't want to be with you, he just didn't.
That's true. Okay, so if you notice that